sa library. So, kailangan ko yung linisin. And sa totoo lang, madali lang yung linisin. Kasi, meron namang mga pwesto, lahat ng mga bagay doon. But, this attic is a whole different story. Na-film ko na yung sinasabi kong i-film ko na ano nga ba yung sinasabi? Catch up with motherhood, being a homemaker, being a wife. These are like my top priorities in life. Real life, mom life. I don't have to be ashamed do ano yung mga ginagawa ko in a day, how I deal with things around the house. God planted us here and we should bloom where we are planted. No, you don't step on that.
Mommy, I get the remote.
Wait for me. Good morning, guys, and welcome to another vlog, another day in our lives.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, go. I'm just waiting for my coffee para I can start my day. It's still here, ayan. So, how are you guys? Hi, Baba. So, how are you guys? Grabe, December 7 na. And we're really getting closer to Christmas. So, ready na ba kayo for Christmas? What are your Christmas plans? Kami, wala kaming plano. Most likely, mga 90% sure ako na dito lang kami sa bahay. So, tingnan natin if talaga ba na dito lang kami sa bahay. Kasi, very ano pa rin naman kami sa paglabas. Although, we've been going out, going to places like sa Tanay, or yung nakipag-get together kami with our spiritual family. We're still very, kumbaga we're still trying to be very careful with our, yung mga engagements, especially with socialization. Yeah, so, hindi pa rin kami nagpupunta sa mga places na alam namin maraming tao or especially enclosed spaces, ganyan, like malls and all that. So, hindi ko alam. Ang Christmas tradition talaga namin is we would go to our parents' house. Doon kami magsispend ng afternoon till evening, ganyan, with family. Pero nga, since maraming tao kasi doon, so hindi ko sure. Last year, hindi kami pumunta doon. Yung parents kasi sila na lang pumunta dito. Kasi nga, iniiwasan talaga namin yung gano'n na crowd. Yung talagang madaming tao. Na hindi mo rin syempre sure kung saan sila galing or kung sino yung mga nakasalamuha nila, diba? So, again, we're not trying to discriminate or anything. We're just trying to really protect our family, ourselves. So, mahirap na rin kasi. Kasi pwedeng hindi naman sila pala yung carrier ng virus. Pwedeng, what if kami, diba? So, alam mo yun, mas mabuti nang maging maingat, kumbaga. So, yun. Ayan, lumiliwanag na, umaaraw na. Dabi makulimlim kanina eh. So, ayun, yesterday, hindi ko na-close yung vlog as usual, what's new. Pero, nagawa ko naman yung aking number 1 task that I said that I would do, which is nga yung counter, which I've shown already. So, later, papakita ko sa inyo siya ng maliwanag. Kasi kagabi, di ba, medyo madilim na. So, hindi nyo na siguro masyadong na-visualize. Or kung meron bang difference. It doesn't look like it had that much of a difference since the boxes nga are still there. But I'm pleased with how the crate looks like kasi it's really a lot more organized than before. So today, I'm going to edit, that's for sure. I'm going to Ito na naman ako. Design for Positives third collection. And ano pa ba? Iniisip ko if ngayon ko lilinisin yung library. Depende kung okay na yung pakiramdam ni Ayn and Davy. Kasi yesterday, I didn't do that because yung body nila nga nakakaramdam ng side effect because of the vaccine. Pero, praise God naman, hindi naman ganun kagrabe yung side effect nila. Nung morning, medyo nangihina sila, may chills, ganyan. Pero later in the day, they're doing okay naman. And sabi ni Avery, hindi na masyadong masakit yung arm niya. So, ayun, baka if they are better today, I might start with the library. Might, okay? Hindi ko pa sure. Depende pa. Kasi if I do that, hindi ko na naman magagawa yung pagde-design ko ng shirts. So, ewan ko. I don't know then why I started this vlog. Pero, just in case. Actually, minsan nga iniisip ko, maybe the reason why I'm not really vlogging is because, as I always say, my life, our life, is very uneventful naman. It's very like normal. We just do mundane tasks every day. But then, naisip ko rin, if I really want to portray or to showcase like real life mom life, then, you know, I don't have to be ashamed with like, you know, just talking to you guys or napakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung mga ginagawa ko in a day, how I deal with things around the house. To be honest, parang yun na yung magiging direction nitong aking channel. I'm leaning towards that because at the end of the day, motherhood, being a homemaker, being a wife, these are like my top priorities in life, and this is really my purpose. And so I want to really inspire like women or mothers like me to just keep going, to be more, alam mo yun, to be that person who encourages other people to just do what they have to do, try their best, thrive every single day the best they could, because God planted us here and we should bloom where we are planted. So if we are planted here, if this is the season of our lives right now, my season of life right now is to be with my family, serve them, then I should do that excellently, because everything that you do is a form of worship to God. That's something that I want to tell people. It's something that I hope I'd be able to encourage people to adapt yung ganong klaseng perspective. Because most of the time, when we are like placed somewhere, I don't know if it's human nature na we always look for the things that we don't have, and we fail to recognize the importance of the role that we are playing now. The things that we have now, we fail to be grateful for it. So, me, I'm just grateful that I'm at home. I'm grateful that I get to serve my family, that I get to clean the house, that I get to talk to you guys through vlogs, that I get to at least be creative through my brand, yung positive, or through writing, ganyan. So, bottom line is, I'm just trying to really embrace what God has given me, what God has been giving me as a person, as an individual. I'm trying to embrace the season of my life, and I'm trying to make do of what I have. I'm trying to focus on the things that, you know, I have right now, and be really, really grateful for it. Because praise God for all the blessings, praise God for all His grace every day that I get to wake up and do this, wake up and, you know, serve my family. And I guess that's what's important, and not the things that I don't have. I don't know when I had that kind of shift in perspective, but I'm grateful to the Lord that I had it. I know that it came from Him alone. So, praise God. And, yun. So, ayan na yung intro natin. 9 minutes na naman. But anyway, I'm gonna finish up my coffee. I am going to edit a vlog so I can post one today, because I didn't post yesterday. Kasi okay lang. Nag-post naman ako the other day. So, yeah, if you haven't seen yung latest clean and declutter day vlog, then please watch that. Okay, masyado nang maingay yung pinapanood ni Ark. Nanonood na naman siya ng Lanky Box na napagkaingay-ingay ng mga lalaki talaga. I'm gonna finish up my coffee, do some reading, and yeah, be right back. Bakit niya inom mineral water na I just call it Okay, so I've shown you our library. And now, pakita ko sa inyo yung aming attic. Okay guys, so pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung sa library. So, kailangan ko yung linisin. And sa totoo lang, madali lang yung linisin. Kasi, mayroon namang mga pwesto, lahat ng mga bagay doon. So, yung mga school supplies and all that. Yung books nila, there's a shelf for it. What else? So, basta, madali lang siyang ayusin talaga. I just need, siguro I'll spend like 2 hours lang or half day to clean that up. But, this attic is a whole different story. Nakita nyo naman yung itsura niya. Ayan. See? So, this one, I have to like set maybe a whole week to clean up. Actually, no, unti-unti na nila yung pagkuha doon ng mga toys and hinuhugasan na nila isa-isa because kailangan siyang sabunan because 2 months ago, I think 2 months ago ba yun? 3 months ago, basta recently, nagkaroon kami dito ng pest. So, medyo nadumihan yung mga bagay-bagay. Actually, kaya rin ganun siya kadumi doon kasi hindi na nila napuntahan for the past few months because nga of the pest. So, hindi ko alam kung kailan ko yun magagawa. But, my goal is to clean that up before the year ends or even before Christmas time para naman maayos yun sa taas. So, yun lang. Okay, time check. It's already 2:50 and I haven't really done anything significant or anything na I don't know. Wala naman akong to-do list today. So, carry bells. What are you eating? Huli. Kumakain ko siya. So, ayun. I don't have a to-do list, specific like priority list for today. So, medyo chill-chill lang yung araw na to. Supposedly, ako ay magsasalang ng aming labahin. Pero, makulimlim na naman po mga sis. So, parang hindi magandang idea na maglaba today. But anyway, tignan natin if masisimulan ko yun sa library today. I'll be right back. Hi!
Mama, make the picture.
Wait, this is not a picture. This is a vlog.
Click in the book, please.
So, bumibili si Omar ng oil and pasta for our merienda.
Mommy, get to me.
Okay. Yung video ka to.
Here's Daddy.
Say hi.
Hi.
Press it.
Okay.
Guys, bago kayo mabibili.
Sorry, Mommy.
Sorry.
Okay. Picture na lang. Hey guys, time check. It is 7:50 na mga sis, and I just finished filming. Finally, na-film ko na yung sinasabi kong i-film ko na ano nga ba yung sinasabi? Catch up vid. So, vid talaga. Na-catch up vid. So, finally, na-film ko na siya, guys. Kaya rin ako naka-makeup. So, very fast makeup lang tong ginawa ko. As in, ginamit ko lang ay itong Color Pop No Filter Sticks na feeling ko ay expired na dahil medyo matagal na to sa akin. Pero actually, 90% of the makeup that I own, for sure expired na. Pero ginagamit ko pa rin kasi wala naman ako ibang gagamitin. On my lips is, ano nga ba ito? Itong Shut Up and Kiss Me na Love Marie lipstick. Ayan, in case you're wondering. Ayan. Tapos naglagay lang ako ng MAC eyeshadow na very, very light sa aking lids. Wala akong kilay. So, kasi may bangs naman si ate niya girl. So, ayun. So, ang saya guys. Ang saya na na-film ko na siya finally. After talking about it or mentioning it dito sa vlogs na gagawin ko siya, ay nagawa ko na rin siya sa wakas. Diba? Nakakamiss mag-film. Nakakamiss mag-film ng ganito na may pailaw ako dito sa gilid. Ganyan. And tingnan natin kung makapag-film ako ulit anytime soon because I'm planning to film. May dalawa akong topics in mind. Yung isa is yung about nga, since nabanggit ko na rin siya doon sa video na yun, it's about how I have, how I overcome yung depression, mild depression that I have experienced. And then, the second one is about something about being a Christian wife. So, that one is going to be deeper and alam mo yun, kailangan ko pa siyang pag-isipan, pagdasal kasi yung mga ganong topic, alam mo na may pagka for a lack of better term, ay controversial, diba? So, anyway, so, yan. But I'm happy na na-film ko na yung catch-up vid. Ang saya-saya, bes. So, mag-8 na. Okay na ako. Siyempre, wala na ako i-film. So, magbubura na ako ng makeup. Dahil ayoko hindi na talaga ako nagme-makeup. Like, TBH. Kahit na may mga special occasions, if you're my friend on Facebook or Instagram, you would see yung mga pinopost ko na about birthday, ganyan, pictures namin na family, wala akong makeup kasi hindi na talaga ako nagme-makeup. I'm comfortable with how I look kahit walang makeup. So, yeah. Okay, sige. I still have my coffee here. Syempre, malamig na siya. Now, I'm going to edit. Yes, kasi sabi ko kaninang umaga ako ay mag-edit. Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin siya nagagawa. At umiilaw na ng red yung battery ng camera since ito yung ginamit ko sa pag-film dahil wala naman ako ibang camera, guys. So, ayun, nagmamadali. So, ayun lang. Okay, sige. I'm going to end this vlog here. Today's vlog is not as fruitful. It's not as... Well, today's vlog is more on the chatty side. But, sanay naman na kayo sa akin. For sure. So, yeah. I'm gonna end this vlog here. See you guys again in the next vlog. Bye!